Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. I've washed the parts in warm soapy water. Not sure how necessary that is with some of the newer kits. I just kind of do it almost as a ritualistic type thing. So I'll wash it with soap and water just in case there's some residue on the parts, and then I'll just put it on a paper towel, let it dry. Like I said, not sure how necessary that is per se, but I think something that is more important than that is once you get done putting the main assembly together, to actually wipe down everything with isopropyl alcohol to get all of the residue off before you paint it. So, but I do think there may be a little bit something to washing it off with soap and water to have the glue adhere better. So that's what I've done there. So some things I'm going to be doing moving forward is I'm going to start on the main assembly of the cockpit, and here's what we got for that. It's pretty straightforward. One of the things that I think I want to do with this though is, as you can see, you put a decal over the control console here. And I was taking a look at it, and you can see it's just a flat console. So I thought maybe it would be a good idea to maybe take a spare piece here, or even stretch sprue, maybe cut that up into little pieces, and then create a little bit of surface detail on the console piece. So I think that's what I'm going to do with that. And then once I put the decal on, I'll make sure to put on microsol to get it to adhere nicely to it. So just a little extra I'm going to do. We'll see how that works out. Another thing that I'm starting to wonder, just kind of looking ahead, is even though this Airfix is calling for a satin hemp, and when I matched it up with this buff color, which I think is pretty close to what's represented on the box here, as I'm starting to look into it and getting some opinions about it, I think actually it should be a pistachio green color, and I'm thinking maybe I could mix these up and possibly get something that's a little bit closer to the color. But I think the actual correct choice from a Tamiya perspective would be XF76. So I'm going to be looking into that a little bit more. I would like to get it as close as possible to how it actually was. So just a little thing that I thought I would bring up right now. So I'm going to start working on the cockpit assembly, and then I will be checking back in with another workbench vlog update. So I'll catch you on that one. Thanks a lot. Joe from Joe K Models.